As I'm working on this tumbler, I started wondering, what's your most comfortable hand position when you're blinging? Because one thing I've noticed is that I do much faster work when I'm really close to the cup and my fingers are moving more than my actual wrist. And I'll give you an example. Instead of using the tip of my pickup tool, I use the sides. And at this angle, it works because, here, I'll put the logo here so you can see. So let's say I'm putting it down and I lift it up and then turn it to put the stone on the tumbler. Let me zoom in so you can see better. So you can follow the logo to see exactly what I'm doing. And so I'm picking up on the side and then turning it to put on the tumbler. Then I turn it back. If I can get them in the right place. Pick side, turn. So I'm basically using my fingers are moving and not my wrist, so it allows me to move along a lot faster. Does anybody else work like this? Because I a lot of times, and when I first started, I would be above the stones and work this way, which works as well. Or if you're farther from your stones, you're doing a lot of this movement. I think that becomes a little that puts a lot of wear on you. So if your hand is rested, this is my theory. If your hand is rested and it's mostly your finger movements, I feel like it's not as tiresome and you can work for longer.